What's the meaning of alpha test? Alpha test. Alpha test. Alpha test. Alpha test. Alpha test.
Alpha testing is a type of software testing performed to identify bugs, errors, and design flaws before releasing the product to beta testing or the public. During alpha testing, software is tested by a team of internal testers or developers, who are responsible for identifying and reporting any issues they encounter. By doing so, the software can be refined and improved before it enters the beta testing phase. The goal of alpha testing is to improve the quality of the software, increase usability, and ensure that it meets its intended purpose.